Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Tasin here. Today I'm here to talk about to make a professional email signature using a website. So let me tell you about that website. It is nothing but Gimeo Gimmio. So Gimmio. So Gimeo email signature. Just click on that. So here you can see free email signature generator. So I'm just going to click here. So friends, so this is Gimeo actually. We have here a number of layouts here. You can see whichever we want, we can just select it from here. So I'm going to choose a very simple one and show you how really it works, and even it will give you the source code at the same time. So I'm going to just select the simple one. So let's see how really it works. So I'm going to apply this I have selected, and I'm going to click on the name, and actually all I have to do is just I have to come here and delete the name what they have given, and I have to type my own name, VEGUM. So I am done with this. When this actually link here, I can't see any YouTube links here. So what I will do is I'll give my YouTube channel link here. YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube link. Copy and I'll paste it here. So here I'm going to give my YouTube channel link here. So I'll just press here and I'll just right click and I'll paste it here. So once they click on my name, it will directly take them to my. So once I'm done with this name, all I have to do is just click on done. So next point comes to real estate agent. It has written. Now we have to write our profession, what we are. I'm going to just write here freelancer and YouTuber. So you can write your profession, so whatever your profession is, and then the point comes to if you want to add any link of your website, you can just add. And now I'm going to click on done. So then the point comes to phone number. So now what I can do is I just don't want to give my phone number, so I'm just going to write 999. So I'm done, and actually next to one more office mobile number it is asking. If you want to give a link for that, you can give. Definitely I don't want to give any link, so just I'm going to press 777. Now I'm done with this. Then it asks you actually what is your website. So if you have your website ID, if you want to give, you can give. Otherwise you can just make it blank and click on done. So here you can see the website has got removed, and then the point comes to address, or you can just I can give a. That's it. So here I'll click LinkedIn profile. So I'll click on LinkedIn profile. So here I have given my LinkedIn profile, what is that called, URL. So I'll click on done, and then the point comes to Twitter I don't have, and Gmail I don't have. So then the point comes to image. So what I'll do is I'll just try to first remove this picture from here. I'll just remove the picture what they have given, and then I'll choose an image from my computer. So from choose a local file, so to fit this. So let me see whether it gets fixed or what. So it is yes. So this is perfectly alright actually. So here you can see freelancer, YouTuber, and phone number, mobile number, address, and all our websites we can have it here. So the next point comes down. We are done actually. I'm going to just click on install your signature. So here if you want to check your signature size, actually you can also customize layout. You can just see, even if you want to customize it, actually if you want to add any customized layout, actually also you can do. So here you can see the name, position. So icons, actually if you want to add any more icons, all that you can do, customize layout. Check signature size. If you want to check your signature, how many characters actually you have here, because in Gmail it has a problem, it won't accept you. So you have to check your signature size. If you want to check here, you can check. So the next point is to install your signature. So I'll click here to get your signature. So once I click here, I will get it. Your signature has been copied to your clipboard. Actually, let me check whether I have got my email signature in my thing. So let me open a Gmail ID. If you want to send it to someone else, and you can also just paste in your Gmail account and you can send it. So I'm just getting to my compose, trying to right click, and here I'm going to paste this. So here you can see my, actually what is that called, my email signature is ready. You can just try to send this to someone if you want to. At the same time, if you want to have the source code of this, actually here you can see your signature has been copied to your clipboard. You see, click here if you want the HTML source code actually. So I'm going to click here and see, here is the HTML source. You can also just press Ctrl A. Already actually you can just copy this and actually you can paste and you can send it. So this is how actually it is. It's really great to know that actually we can work in Gimeo and actually we can create our own email signature. That too, there are n number of layouts. It's really amazing to see those layouts there. So hope you all have enjoyed this session. Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Bye bye.